You may notice NetSkeme includes basic drawing tools. These tools are on a movable toolbar on the right side of the screen and include line, arc, circle, and rectangle. To use line, select and click to generate the first point. You can either click through points freehand or input custom lengths and angles using the keyboard. Press Escape to end the line segment and/or exit the command. Arc is similar, and users will need to select 3 points to create the arc. For circle, click for the center of the circle and extend to the desired radius. For rectangle, click to designate opposite corners of the rectangle. Note users can designate color, line type, or layer for all shapes created with basic drawing tools. Match properties can be used to transfer these properties to other objects. These tools are also available in symbol build mode and can be used to create custom symbols there. Snaps, grouping, and movement commands present throughout the rest of the application also apply to objects created using the basic drawing tools.